In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create neon cyberpunk effect in Canva. We're going to use Canva's built-in AI image tools to quickly generate a bold, futuristic visual with that glowing cyberpunk style. This is a great option if you want dramatic colors, a tech-inspired mood, and a fast way to create eye-catching artwork without designing everything from scratch. To get started, go to Canva and make sure you're on the main platform page. Once you're there, look for the Create option and click it to begin a new project. This is where you'll access the tools needed to generate your image. After opening the Creation menu, click on Magic Media. This is Canva's AI-powered feature that lets you create visuals from a text prompt. It's especially useful when you want a specific look or atmosphere, like a neon cyberpunk aesthetic, but don't want to build it manually using separate design elements. Inside Magic Media, choose the Image option. This tells Canva that you want to generate a still image rather than another kind of media. Selecting the correct format here is important because it keeps the tool focused on creating a visual that matches your prompt as accurately as possible. Now, in the prompt field, type Create a cyberpunk effect. Keep the wording exactly as needed for this walkthrough. This prompt gives Canva a simple instruction to generate a futuristic neon-inspired image. In many cases, cyberpunk visuals include glowing lights, vivid contrast, and a high-tech urban feel. So this is a quick way to guide the tool toward that style. Once the prompt is entered, give Canva a moment to process it and generate the image. Depending on your connection and Canva's response time, this may take a few seconds. While it's generating, just wait for the results to appear. The platform will use your prompt to create an image based on that cyberpunk look. When the image appears, you'll be able to review the result and decide if it matches the visual style you want. If you're following this exact process for practice, the main goal is simply to generate the effects successfully and see how Canva interprets the prompt. And that's it. That's how to create a neon cyberpunk effect in Canva using Magic Media. It's a very quick workflow, and it's a useful starting point for posters, thumbnails, social graphics, or creative concept visuals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.